How to turn on Siri on your iPhone, how to enable. This video I will tell you how to enable Siri on your iPhone. Hey Siri, active Siri with the side button settings on iPhone. Let's start it guys. So first you have to just open your iPhone settings app. Now you can see here the down scroll up. Now you can find the here Apple Intelligence in Siri. Click on this here and now you can see in the downside Siri to talk. Click on the Siri to talk and now you can see talk to Siri here. How first you have to just press side button to for Siri you want to, then you have to just enable this and click on the enable. Now you can see voices, no, click on so first voice and now you can done, click on okay which you want. You have to select the options and many voice. So now you can click after press the side button to Siri. Now you have to just click on the first one Siri or Hey Siri, and so want you can see here set up Siri and say Siri command. Okay, click on the continue. Say Siri, how's the weather to your iPhone. Okay, he did not hear, so what you have to just say Siri, how's the weather. Siri, how's the weather. Okay, let's try once again. Siri, how's the weather. Okay. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Siri, okay, once again. Siri, set a timer for the 3 minutes. Once again. Okay. So, Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Sometime he will not hear, so try once again. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Siri, play some music. Okay, your Siri will be now ready. Now you can see you want to check your Siri. So say, hey Siri, what's time gone? So this will be work. My mobile is in the silent mode, so you can easily enable and you can have to just update your Siri. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Gen 1 Guide YouTube channel.